Hello, this is Mr. Allegretto, and today we are going to blend some letters to make words that have the sound ah in them. Do you know what letter says ah? Like in the word apple? Yes, that's right, A. A says ah. But before we do this, let's review. What letter says t? Yes, good. T says t. And what letter says d? Yes, great. D says d. Many of the words in this lesson will also have these sounds, so listen for them. Now, let's blend some letters to make some words with the sound ah. Are you ready to say them with me? Okay, let's begin. S, at. Again. S, at. Blend. Sat. At. Again. K, at. Blend. Cat. F, at. Again. F, at. Blend. Fat. At. Again. At. Blend. Rat. B, at. B, at. Blend. Bat. B, add. B, add. Blend. Bad. Sad. Sad. Blend. Sad. Add. Add. Blend. Mad. P, add. P, add. Blend. Pad. D, add. D, add. Blend. Dad. Now we're going to take these words apart. Here we go. Say sat. Sound sat. S, at. Good. Sat. Say cat. Sound k, at. Cat. Say the word fat. Sound f, at. Fat. Say the word rat. Sound at. Rat. Say the word bat. Sound b, at. Bat. Say the word bad. Sound b, ad. Bad. Say the word sad. Sound sad. Sad. Say the word mad. Sound mad. Mad. Say the word pad. Sound p, add. Pad. And last one. Say the word dad. Sound d, add. Dad. Great work. Challenge yourself. Listen to the video again, and on a piece of paper, see how many of these words you can spell by yourself as I sound them out, and check your spelling when I show the word. And remember, be the best you that you can be. Have a great day.